friends, welcome to my channel. We all know that fish is packed with many nutrients. Fish has high quality protein, iodine, various vitamins and minerals. Especially sea fish contains omega-3 fatty acid and vitamin D. Eating fish helps to reduce risks of heart attack and strokes in adults. Fish help to develop brain in children, but in most of the fish, lots of bones are present. That's why, especially children, do not like to eat the fish. Today I will show you one boneless fish recipe named fish kofta curry. It is very easy and tasty recipe. Children will really love this recipe. Let's see what ingredients we need for the fish kofta curry. We need very simple ingredients we all have in our home. Cardamom, chopped onion, chopped ginger, chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. I used here 2 big pieces of katla fish. You can use any big type of fish. 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, cashew nut paste, tomato puree, boiled potato, 2 teaspoons of gram flour or besan, paste of onion, ginger, garlic and green chili. Now I will shallow fry the fish. I add 1 tablespoon oil, my oil is nice and hot now. Now I will add fish. I will add little bit oil. I already added some turmeric powder with the fish. Fish fry is done. Now I will take out all the bones from the fish. I have cleaned all the bones from the fish. Look. Now I will make the fish kofta. I will add boiled potato, I add chopped onion, ginger and green chili. I add besan or gram flour. Add salt. Now I will mix it properly. Now I will fry the fish kofta. My oil is nice and hot now. I add kofta. My fish kofta fry is done now. Now I will prepare the curry. I will add 1 tablespoon oil. I add the cardamom. A nice smell is coming out. Now I will add turmeric powder. Fry a little bit. Now I will add the paste. Fry a little bit. A very nice smell is coming out now. Now I will add the tomato puree. Mix it properly. Now I will add salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. Mix it properly. Look the rich red color. Now I will add the cashew nut paste. Mix it properly. I will add little bit water. Now I will add the fish kofta. Cover it up for a few minutes. Look, my fish kofta curry is done now. My fish kofta curry is ready. This recipe is perfect with any kind of rice like steamed rice, jeera rice, fried rice, pulao. Please try my recipe in your home and comment. If you like my recipe, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. For your reference, I am giving the ingredients detail at the end of my video. Thanks for watching my full video and we will again meet in my next video.